10 Guitar Solo Tips for Beginners in the Craft. 1. Make use of long notes and silence. Beginners in guitar soloing tend to use too many notes and never allow the music to breathe with rests and long notes. This makes the solos unmusical and bores the listener. 2. Use phrasing techniques. To add interest to your solos, use phrasing techniques such as vibrato, string bending, and slides. 3. Take care of unwanted string noise. If you're using distortion, make sure to mute any unwanted noise from the strings you're not using, unless you want that noise to be in effect. 4. Steal and modify. You don't have to reinvent the wheel every time you write a solo. Rhythmic patterns, short motifs, and ideas from other solos will emerge in various forms and variations in your solos. This is perfectly fine. 5. Listen to and learn solos from genres other than your favorites. 6. Learn from singers too. Listen to your favorite singers' melodic lines. What can you learn from them? 7. Use scales and arpeggios, but playing in key and using the right scales and arpeggios is a great way to start soloing. However, don't fear wrong notes. If something sounds good, it is good, even if it's not explainable by your present knowledge of music theory. 8. Jam with other musicians. Backing tracks are great, but jamming with other musicians can teach you a lot. 9. Don't just play guitar solos, become a complete guitarist. Lead guitar solos are fun, but rhythm guitar is what guitarists play most of the time. Become fluent in both roles. 10. Improvise for a stretch of time. When you start improvising, you'll usually repeat the same ideas, but after a few minutes, your mind gets bored and will start creating new things. Click on the first link in the comments for the full article and subscribe to this channel for more videos on guitar playing, music theory, and songwriting.